Hey everybody, my name is Matt Rosenthal. I'm the CEO of Mindcore Technologies, and I want to tell you how multiple streams of income made me a multimillionaire and how cash flow is king. So let me start with this. Why multiple streams of income? For me, it was easy. I grew up very poor, and along the way, I had an internal kind of reality, which was I want to have more than one source of income. I never want to be in a position where that one source of income that I have dries up. So fast forward. Right, we're adults, we have jobs. Most of us were brought up to think, go to college, get a job, save and retire. But that's assuming based on one source of income. Think about that. You're putting your life in somebody else's hands. So you go work for somebody every day, and if they decide that they don't want you to work there, they let you go. If they're having business problems, they let you go. If you have one source of income, what position are you putting yourself in? Position of weakness. Okay, you need cash flow. We all need cash flow. We have to pay a mortgage or rent. We have to pay car payments, everything. All these things we need, they require cash flow. That's why cash flow is king. So how do you get multiple streams of income? I'll tell you what I've done. First and foremost, I had to start by working for somebody else, having that primary job. But along the way, I had some skills and I was able to have a side business. I turned that side business into a full-time business, but you don't have to, especially in today's economy. Everybody accepts that people are doing side gigs. So have your full-time job, have something on the side where you're supplementing that, right? That's reducing your risk. That's giving you another form of income, another stream of income. I highly, highly recommend that you tune everybody around you out because they're gonna be naysayers. And what you do is you invest in real estate. Buy one 2-family house, buy one property. Start small, but just do it. Why? Because over time, a couple of things are gonna happen. One, it's gonna appreciate. Don't worry about the price of it today or tomorrow or next month or if the market's crashing or not. All you have to worry about is that it's in a good location and that you've got good tenants who can pay the rent. You don't care what the market's doing, you're not selling the house anyway. The important part of that is it's kicking off cash flow. It could be $500 a month. I have properties that are kicking off several $1,000s a month, okay? It doesn't really matter as long as the numbers make sense. Over time, a couple of things are gonna happen with that. You're ultimately gonna own the property, right? So your cash flow increases when you pay off that mortgage, or if you want, you can refinance the house, take that cash flow out of the house tax-free. Another way you can have a stream of income, which is smart, is to invest in dividend-paying stocks. So more traditional, you can pick your own stocks if you're really good at it, like if you understand what stocks are best, or you can work with somebody else, whatever makes the most sense for you. Have that stream of income. Something else you could do is, if you're open to it, other people that are starting businesses or are in business or have good business ideas, a little riskier, you could invest in their business, get a piece of the business. Once you've got that, I mean, if you pick a good business, you really could have a nugget that could really grow into something big. Another stream of income, much riskier, is cryptocurrency. Be very careful. I mess around with it. I'm risking my own capital, but comes full circle, right? You might lose a little bit, but if you time it right and if you're paying attention and you're following good people, catch the market at the right time, that isn't necessarily a steady source of income, but you get big chunks of income. There's another source of income that I've actually found is kind of interesting. If you have the skill set where you can help somebody else, let's say who's in business, maybe they need some people out there, they need some voices out there. You could do things like you could call, try and generate leads. Think about that. That's a creative way to create some income for yourself if you have some spare time and you're not doing anything and that's downtime and you're watching TV and you're playing video games. A better use of that time is finding something, whatever it is, that can generate any source of income. So like I said, what comes to mind is helping out friends of yours who are in business, maybe do some cold calls, set up leads, set up appointments, just another way to have income. These are all ideas, are all things I've done, and I can tell you that right now I do have multiple streams of income, and it really makes a difference when you want to relax and you want to have that pressure taken off. You don't want to just rely on that one job. And so my recommendation is the concept of multiple streams of income and the concept of cash flow being king. It's really, to me, it's all that matters. So remember, multiple streams of income, cash flow is king. These are the pillars that help me become a multimillionaire. Do not let somebody else take control of your life, your financial life. You take control of it. Put these things into play. Hope this helps you. If you want to find out more about how we can help you with your IT, with your technology, with your cybersecurity, click the link down below, schedule a free consultation. Would love to speak with you.